front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you need to scroll and tap on all of those icons at the top right corners of all of those sections to see all available themes Gboard has to offer. When you find the perfect one, click on it. Click on this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or turn them on. And when you're ready, hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to, you can always customize it as well by going into the same section in your settings, and this time using this plus icon under my themes. Now click on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboards and tap on apply. If you want to make some changes, go back to the same settings. Click on your theme and use this pen icon at the top right corner to adjust it however you want to. Make sure to tap on Save and select Apply. To delete any custom theme or any theme from this section, click on it and use this bin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!